Meet the WR Long Third Function Valve Kit, delivering complete hydraulic control for your front-end loader attachments. From subcompact to utility tractors, if your loader valve allows it, our system gives you simultaneous loader movement and attachment function, designed to match nearly every brand of tractor. Proudly made in the USA for nearly 4 decades, with real customer service that answers the phone, each kit comes ready to go. Everything you need is included. Each kit comes pre-assembled for an easy install. Mount the valve, route the hoses, mount the bulkhead bracket, connect the red wire from the handle to the positive terminal of the battery, and connect to your WR Long 2-button handle. Depending on your setup, this is a live third function valve kit. Unlike diverter valves, this allows you to lift, dump, curl, and operate your attachments at the same time. Pressure holds strong and flow stays consistent. Our kits are loader specific. Kits usually ship within 2 to 3 days and are backed by proven performance. Run grapples, 4-in-1 buckets, snow and hay equipment, as well as other front-end loader attachments, all with a comfortable, intuitive handle. Flow matched to your loader's specs, these kits won't interfere with rear remotes or backhoes. Built-in manual operation lets you test or troubleshoot fast. Every kit is backed by a strong warranty and live support. When you call, you talk to a third function expert. Ordering is simple with no minimums. Upgrade your tractor with WR Long. Contact sales or visit our website today. We manufacture the best made-in-the-USA tractor accessories while honoring God. And our third function valve kits are no exception.